So far, we have only seen variable binding by assigning values. As you know, every variable in Rust programming was created with the keyword let. In this lesson, we will create variable binding with if, match, and loop. In this way, it provides the flexibility to easily connect the values we want to be assigned when certain values conditions are met. First, let's do an example with if-else. As you can see, we can assign the variable value according to the provided condition. It is possible to see this in other programming languages with different methods than the if feature. However, with the match I will show now, integration can be provided easily, although it is more detailed. As you can see, it is possible to bind variables in different types. In our example, even if we checked the numbers with match, the type of the variable we wanted to bind was str. In our next example, we will perform variable binding using the keyword break with the loop. It is possible to bind any type of variable you want with the loop. Maybe you can control different types and bind variables in your own algorithm. As you can see, we returned a value of type str. If the functions we will see in the next lesson have a return, it is possible to bind them to a variable. Subject to, we will also examine this when shading functions. See you in the functions lesson.